Jeffrey, stop.
Get up!
You will never spy it.
What do you mean I'm a spy? How the hell am I supposed to dream about your sister boyfriend?
Him probably had a dream about me.
What the fuck you?
What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, guys, remember the time when they come up here and Kim they pull up prank on me. You know, she dry bed and make me jump off of the bed like she did that kick me out. For all that who don't know me, I thought we maybe run the clip right here. So
I'm gonna know we're cute. Cause when you come on me yard, me ow!
So yeah, I don't want to see that, guys. So you know, I'm gonna do my revenge prank for her. I've been waiting, with it. It makes you feel like say, yo, all is well. So right now, she think me asleep. But all along I wake up, but me just did it a farm sleep and I no more pull a prank up on her. So you know she wake up and brush her teeth, wash her face and all them something there. So me say me I go do the calling my sister boyfriend name in my sleep. So when me I go a farm sleep and I call her boyfriend name. You know? I think I need first name or last name. I don't know, but that me go do. So if you guys want to see this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, give this video a big ass thumbs up if you like it, and follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S. Also, guys, want to go over to Kim one channel. She gonna make a channel too, guys. Go over to her channel and subscribe and make sure you know say hashtag Team Shawna send on guys. So she gonna start her own YouTube channel. I'm gonna put her link down in the description, so just go over there, subscribe to her, show her some love and support and thing like that, guys. But watch the video here first, because I forget her about Team Shawna in the comment section. Let's go. One PP. Right now, that's how we had banana for come.
Ano gitu? Hah? Ini kata lagu Anina kami mau tinggal no. Apa tu ya kok? Remember the coffee cup when we did that abortion?
Jeffrey.
What? Wait, that dream. Did I just hear you call Jeffrey's name, Sean? Shawna! Did I just hear you call Jeffrey's name?
No, I'm not calling Jeffrey.
What did you say?
I said nothing, Kima. What do you?
You didn't just call Jeffrey's name a while ago? Alright, cool. I go wash off my face. Don't run with me, no. I'm not run with you.
Jeffrey, stop. No. Jeffrey, stop. Stop, Jeffrey.
Shawna, wake up. Shawna!
Kim, we are friends with so far.
What y'all do?
What do you, girl? I not do nothing. I sleep. Oh,
Why me hear y'all call Jeffrey name?
Kim, me never did a call Jeffrey.
Why are you calling Jeffrey's name? Don't play with me.
Me never call him name. Him alone, me and Jeffrey came.
Yes! Who else do you know when named Jeffrey?
Jeffrey.
Why are you calling Jeffrey's name? And then you're like, Jeffrey, stop. What?
Because we did a play.
What you mean you did not play? After me not drinking me and you play. So how the heck if you drink to you and Jeffrey play?
Can me not control my dream?
What the? What were you dreaming about?
My dream say we are play, Kim.
Playing what?
Dandy Shandy.
What the hell is Dandy Shandy?
Picnic game.
Why are you playing picnic game with Jeffrey?
Kim and me tell me, and me say, alright, Jeffrey, me go dream. Come in up. Shawna, my dream.
Shawna? What's going on? Shawna, why are you dreaming about Jeffrey? Firstly. Did something happen with you guys?
What you talk about?
So why are you dreaming about him?
Kim and him alone name Jeffrey. Kim, me can't dream.
Let me
dream in peace, no,
What do you mean make a dream in peace? What kind of foolishness is that? Did something happen with both of you?
Only, let me tell you a dream. Me asleep, so. And we just have play and I asleep. And I can Jeffrey, stop.
Get up!
What?
Don't play with me. Did something happen with you guys?
Yes.
What?
We just a dream, see, man. That mean a dream, and I tell you I can forget up.
Did something happen for real with you guys?
What do you mean something happened for you?
What happened between you and Jeffrey?
Keep nothing happened, we just a dream.
Why are you dreaming about Jeffrey?
I never did I call Jeffrey name.
Why are you dreaming about Jeffrey? Don't play with me.
Keep I never spy it.
What do you mean I'm a spy? How the hell am I supposed to dream about your sister boyfriend?
Him probably had a dream about me.
What the? I do
Keep me not control my dream, bro. I'm sorry.
Did something happen between you and Jeffrey? Don't play with me.
No, Kim. Kim, nothing that me I go call the boy for. Want told him a dream about me.
What the hell you mean a dream about you?
Ah!
What is going on? What is going on?
Kim.
After me wash my face, I'm about to come in and come tell you how me nearly slide and pop my neck in your ball. Jeffrey, stop. I don't even say Jeffrey, stop. Don't play with me.
Sorry.
I swear to God, what happened with you and Jeffrey?
We just in a dream say we are playing.
How do you get off dreaming about your sister's boyfriend? That is foolishness.
Kim and me control my dream.
What the hell do you mean and you control your dream? Everybody control their damn dream.
How?
Wait.
They say when I'm tell you one. Them say when you got your bed with somebody for your mind, you dream. Your dream for the person.
Shawna. How do you go to your bed with Jeffrey on your mind?
So Kim,
Jesus, I'm going to kill this girl.
what if me got on bed with him for mine? Plus he must sleep with me for feed mine too. I can't stop it.
Shawna K. Campbell. Did something happen with you and Jeffrey? At the moment, I don't even give a shit about what you want to dream about. If something happened between the both of you, I'm going to... Do you hear me? What happened? I swear this is the last time I ask you this. What happened with you and Jeffrey?
You want me to explain the dream? Want me to demonstrate the dream too?
What? Shawna,
A prank, Kim, a prank.
that's not no damn prank.
A prank!
How the hell is that a prank?
How the hell you job me if I didn't think it's funny I never know say it's a prank? It's a prank, Kim. You don't know the prank? Calling your sister, girlfriend or boyfriend in your sleep.
I'm not playing, man.
A prank! Kim, see you come over this one. He not even no credit. A prank. Kim, a prank. One time you prank me. You think me never did not go get your back? It's just a prank. You know, so just from brother, I'm not do that. You vexed? You upset? What's the way I run go now? Yes, man. We get you. Mash you up, I feel. Yes, man. I saw it feel. Yes, guys, me get her back. Ooh, feel good. Come on, me get her back. If you enjoy the video, guys, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. Also, as I say, go over to Kim One channel. Oh my God, this is Kim. Go over to our channel, subscribe, guys. Our links also going to be down in the description, guys. So, when I get her to 1K subscriber real quick, as Kim, contact to them. You vex still? We have vex, Kim. Want to draw me off my bed. Watching your face. Alright, don't bother with me. Yeah, guys. We know you enjoy that video because I did. So, thank you for watching.
Nobody enjoyed that. That is stupid.
It is not.
You can't prank somebody. You can't prank people like that. That's not funny.
Hey, mash up, Lord Jesus. Later. Go and mash up with phone. Go and mash up with phone. Watch there. Oh, Jesus. Me all nervous to take you up.